Today I will start acid, base and salt. First, definition of acid. Acid turns blue litmus to red, and base turns red litmus to blue. Now I will start reaction of acid with base and reaction of acid with metal. So first we read reaction of acid with metal. First, when acid reacts with metal, acid plus metal, any metal, gives salt plus water. For example, acid HCl and metal Zn give salt ZnCl2 plus H2. Hydrogen gas is evolved. This reaction is unbalanced, so here we write twice. In this way, this reaction is balanced. ZnCl2 is called zinc chloride. When base react with metal, means NaOH, which is called sodium hydroxide, plus metal Zn give which name is sodium zincate. Formula is Na2ZnO2. Second reaction of acid with carbonate and bicarbonate. Again repeat, reaction of acid with carbonate and bicarbonate. Reaction of acid with carbonate and bicarbonate. Na2CO3 plus HCl give NaCl plus water plus CO2. Na2CO3 is called sodium carbonate. NaCl is called sodium chloride. This reaction is unbalanced. Here twice the number of sodium atoms are equal, but chlorine atom is here 2, here 1. Therefore, we write twice. Now hydrogen here is also twice. Hydrogen 2, here is hydrogen 2, oxygen 3, oxygen 2 plus 1, 3. Next, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3 plus HCl give NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. This reaction is balanced reaction. reaction of base with non-metal. SO2, which is called non-metal oxide, plus base NaOH gives Na2SO3 plus H2O. Sodium atom is 2, here sodium atom is 1, therefore twice. Now hydrogen atom 2, oxygen 2 plus 2, 4, oxygen 3 plus 1, 4. Na2SO3 is called sodium sulfide. Now next, reaction of acid with base. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. This type of reaction is called neutralization reaction. When acid reacts with base to form salt and water, this type of reaction is called neutralization reaction. Example, when acid, hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium chloride plus H2O. It is called salt, which name is sodium chloride. Next reaction, ionization. Ionization means when we dissolve any electrolyte in water, then substance is ionized its own ions. That type of splitting positive ion and negative ion is called ionization reaction. For example, H2SO4 gives H plus plus SO4 minus minus. The number of hydrogen atoms is 2, therefore here twice. And NaOH, which is ionized plus ion, and OH minus ion. This type of reaction is called ionization reaction. It means when the substance converts into ions, then that type of reaction is called ionization reaction. Now we did pH scale. To find the strength of acid and base, Sorensen developed a scale which is called pH scale. To find the strength of acid and base, Sorensen developed a scale which scale is called pH scale. Its value 0 to 14, that is 0 between 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. When the solution of any which pH value less than the 7, then that type of solution is called acid. When the value of pH is 7, then that type of solution is called neutral. When the pH value more than 7, then that type of solution is called base. Acid rain. Usually the pH of rainwater is 7, but when different gases present in the atmosphere dissolve in it, the pH of rainwater becomes less than 7. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and the oxide of nitrogen produced during fuel combustion are the main causes of acid rain. Again repeat, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and the oxide of nitrogen produced during fuel combustion are the main cause of acid rain. The gases dissolve in water to form acid. For example, CO2 plus H2O gives H2CO3, which is acid. SO2 plus H2O gives H2SO3. NO2 plus H2O gives HNO3. All the compound is called acid. Today this chapter is completed. Next we start next chapter.